Captain's Crew, Captain Panda here, back again with another YouTube video for you guys, and today we are playing the show 20 on the road to the show. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit of base practice, okay. Alrighty. Apparently we did something. I don't know what we did, but alrighty. Am I literally the only switch batter on my team? Okay. Let's see how this goes.
Minor league baseball is
alright. Foster Griffin.
Hey, this guy's been throwing the
alrighty.
How about his last start?
Of course. Just gonna skip the play here.
Stepping into the box.
Alrighty, we're going to do a 4-slider fastball. That's where we're gonna assume he's throwing it. Yep. Alright, come on. There we go. Stay first. Okay, good.
Hey guys, that's an excellent job right there. That's a back foot slider. Usually those are kryptonite for most batters.
Okay.
He's able to fight it off, keep his hands inside the base.
Come on. And go.
This one's down to third.
Go. Ah, dang it. Of course, my teammate had to hit it to right to second baseman. We're gonna just continue to skip this thing because I'm getting tired of it. Alright. We're gonna do a slider. We're gonna assume a slider. Come on, and it's out. Come on, go out. Don't catch it. Dang it. He caught that. Next appearance. Come on. Okay, looks like I'm not playing it each round. So we're gonna do a 2-seam slider. He hit that, but we're gonna do a slider. And we swung a little too late there.
That front door slider is a devastating pitch. By the time
you realize
it's in the zone, it's too late. You can't even put a good swing on it.
Now here's a line drive, and this is going to get down for extra bases.
There you go. You're going two. Come on, go hard. You're scoring. Go hard.
Alright, just stay here.
And they're going to take a 1-0 lead as the run comes across to score.
Boy, those have to feel really good, D-Roll. You get late in the game, you come up with a big RBI base hit right here to give your team the lead.
Yeah, no one remembers that ground ball with eyes in the top of the second inning. You want to
Come on. Quiet
your emotions down, take the crowd out of it, and slow yourself down enough to come through, and that's exactly what he did.
Alrighty.
Yeah, definitely not the execution you're looking for to pull an outside breaking ball, but who cares? Next day's box score, that's a line.
At least he got me to second. That's all I care about. Alrighty. Come on, Court. Come on. Stay a second.
He'll come home with it.
Go.
Play at the plate, and he's out.
Dang it.
A great throw.
I tried to stop Yuri from leaving, and he just decided to keep running. So, alrighty. We're down by 2. Excuse me. We're down by 2. 1 out. First man, one man on base. Let's see if we can get a slider. And okay. Alright, we're gonna do this. A 4-seam fastball, and
is player safety, and right now this field is getting sloppy, wet, Matt, and I don't know how much more rain this field can take.
Come on.
pitch. Hit in the air to straightaway center.
And that's going to be caught.
Is there to
Yep.
put it away, and the runner will be forced to retreat back to first.
That's what I hate about... Yep, and we lost. So like I said, we're going to be doing 3 games per video, so we're going right next into our next game. So yep, since I'm terrible at editing, we're going to sit here and just go through the cutscenes together. Also guys, I'm going to be doing more videos. I'm going to be doing more videos from here on out, so...
To the plate now, Zane Gerwitz, and he could give his guys an early lead if he can come through here.
Alright.
Ground ball to third. Oh, and he can't come up with it. And the throw pulls the first baseman off the bag, and he's safe at first.
That is a shame.
So striding in, Marcos Brito. He did not play last night, but clearly back in the starting 9 for this one.
Alright.
And this is on the ground is short. Could be 2. One
And
there. Relay to first.
yep.
In time, and
There we
just
go.
like that, this side is
There we
retired.
go. Alright, looks like we're batting first, probably.
As they'll have 5, 6, and 7 here to start the home half of the second.
Okay. Let's see if we can knock this out of the park
First delivery
with
to
a
him on the
fast
way.
ball.
And I'm not
That
sure
was
you
a...
can get fooled worse than that. It's 0-1.
Alrighty, we're gonna do a cutter.
Back
Go,
up the
go,
middle
go,
and
go.
in for a base hit.
There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Jeez, I forget how stressful it is playing
Settling
video
in now,
games.
Jason Guzman, as he'll get his first opportunity in this one. Wolf gets his lead at first, nobody out.
Come on, come on.
And he gets him to go after 102 as this is popped in the air toward the left side of the infield. On to first, a double play.
Dang it. I just had to have Yuri continue to run.
Now in the box,
But let's see, advanced runners, we're gonna do that one.
Yeah, Matty, pressure's off right now. He extended his hitting streak that last plate appearance.
We're going to
Now
do...
he gets to get back into his zone, work on his craft, and try and drive something in the gap.
We're gonna do fastball.
from the stretch, here's the pitch. Slap hard the opposite way, and that'll get
Go, make the turn. Have a look.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Hey, pitchers, you
There we go. There we go.
This guy, he better be circled on that lineup card because he's on fire. That's his second hit of the ball game right there, and I don't see him stopping.
As long as that ball hits that ground.
Jason Guzman, he's 0 for 1 thus far. Runners are at first and second with 1 away.
Come on, take that ball.
And this is with that one, ball 4, and that's
Alrighty.
going to load the bases now with still only 1 away.
As a former pitcher, I can tell you, nothing is worse than having to battle not only
At
the
least,
hitter, but the
at least we
umpire
have
as well.
all 3
He'll get
bases
some
loaded.
calls there, but there's nothing he can do about that now. Just got to go right after the next guy.
Bigging in for his second at
Come
bat,
on.
Peterson.
Get at least 2 of us home.
Deal on 2 and 2. Swinging a
Go,
soft
go, go, go,
liner.
go, go.
They'll cash in
Go.
here as the run is in to score from
Yeah,
third.
dang it.
The tag, and they get him at the
Dang
plate
it.
as 1 run scores, but not the second.
Just as long as we're still ahead. Alrighty, we're ahead by 2.
He singled his last time.
Alrighty, we're going to hit a fastball.
Here's the 0-0 pitch. Hard on the ground to second. And
Hold it right there, hold it right there.
base hit. Notch 1 in the
Gonna
score
stay right
column as
here.
The runner from third crosses the plate.
Boy, that's a tough one right there if you're a pitcher, D-Roy.
That is good. This is good.
You're hoping it can get knocked down. Instead, base hit, run batted in.
Yeah, and as the batter right
We
there, you take
literally
off your batting gloves, give it
knocked
the
that bat,
first base.
that ball.
Glad that found the hole right there.
We knocked that ball to first base, and I panicked. That was a go. God, don't catch to that, but oof.
Hoping to send him packing.
Come
Pitch on its
on.
way.
Go, go, go.
Shot here
Go.
out towards short. Next
turn.
to the
Stop,
center field
stop.
base hit. One
Nope, gonna
run
stay.
scores. And the run is in to
We gonna
score for
stay at second.
It's 6-1.
We gonna stay at second.
Changeup down in the zone, not a bad pitch, but with 2 strikes, not the kind of pitch you're looking for. 0-1 or 0-2.
Sometimes you got to
Alright.
scramble those, Danny. It's a testament to all the work he's been putting in underneath in the tunnel, staying through the baseball.
Line drive to left. That's in there. Base hit.
Have a look.
Just gonna continue.
Quickly get it in here to hold that runner at third base.
Boy, there's a bullet base hit right there, but you have to hold there, D-Row, to make sure that gets down and isn't caught for a line drive double play.
Yeah, you have to play the game right there and respect the infield and respect.
Just
the
gonna
line
have to
drive. I know
keep
he
playing
wants
the game
to
safe.
for his buddy, but that's the way the game's played.
Even at
And
2 balls and 2 strikes, here's the pitch.
Go, 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 go. Elbow him, elbow him, elbow him. There we go.
In time, and just
Ooh.
like that, this side is retired. 9 men come to the plate, 4 score. We're through 5 here at the ballpark. Northwest Arkansas out in front, 6-1.
Alrighty.
Next will be the designated hitter, Vimael Mashi, 1 for 2 in the ball game thus far.
Come
The
on.
line at first. He's got it. Step up.
And
And he is in there. They couldn't get him at second.
dang it.
Here's one that you don't see too often.
Alrighty. We cannot let him get.
First pitch of the at-bat on its way. Oh, high, deep. That is a moonshot, folks. A long home run.
That is the first home run of this game. Yuri Wolf is up 3 home runs, I believe. My God. I'm so surprised that
Dan, you see the guy out on
I could
the
actually
mound,
hit that.
he's pitching with bad body language right there. There's blood in the water for a lot of these hitters.
You know, D-Row, you have to make up your mind when you run out there. You're going to do one of 2 things. You're going to be the hunter
that ball,
or the
wow,
team.
that ball had a huge arch to it. At least my team is still up.
He's got a hit in 3
Come on,
at-bats
strike him
at
out,
this point.
strike him out.
First, reined in. And he'll take it to the bag himself for the out.
That's good. That's good. As long as we keep this up. And we don't have to because we actually ended up winning the game.
The best of teams. The key is they didn't panic or press. They just came out here, played their game, and put the losing streak
All right.
behind them, like
We need to go
professionals
right
are
into the
supposed to
third
do.
game.
Well done.
And tonight's final, 7-3.
So yeah. Let's see if we can hit another home run. I'm going for a 2-game at least 2 home runs in one video. That's what I'm going to be trying to do here.
Game's futures.
The coach hasn't been playing as much, but let's see how low his confidence is already.
As he'll look to
Let's
bring
see if we
home
can hit a
that
home
tying
run
run from
with
second
a
with the base hit into the
4-seam
outfield.
fastball.
First delivery to it on the way. Ground
Nope.
ball to right
We already.
side. And that is into right field. The base hit.
We're gonna stay here.
We'll hold that runner
We're gonna
over
stay here.
third as
We're
he'll
gonna
move
stay
up
here.
only 90 feet, but the bases are loaded with 1 away.
This is good. This is good.
At the plate, Nick Dini, as he's got
Come
a
on, don't
chance
get
to
striked
tie
out.
this
Don't-
ballgame
do not
up
get
with
striked
that
out. We
equalizing
need-
run just 90 feet away at third.
Knock out.
And this is
Dang it.
swung on and missed. Oh, a huge punch out there as the bases remain loaded with 2 away now.
Come on.
To the plate
Come
now is
on.
the designated hitter, Kevin Merrill, has 2
Knock
hits
this
and
one out of the
11
park.
trips for the series so far. Now a ball lined toward the gap in left center, and he dives to
And-
make a spectacular catch.
My
What a play
gosh.
there today.
And I thought we could get at least another home run. Not if we get mopped.
Plate, Yuri Wolf. He reached
Alrighty,
on a single
we're gonna
with his
hit
first
a
drive.
Yeah, Manny,
skitter.
pressure's off right now. He extended his hitting streak that last plate
And-
appearance. Now he gets to get back into his zone, work on his craft, and try and drive something in the gap.
Alrighty. Nobody on base. Nobody on base. We're gonna try that
In the air
again.
down the right field line. Right fielder giving chase. And he makes
Dang
the
it.
catch in the corner.
I was hoping he would not catch that, but... And... Alright.
So
Okay.
here's the cleanup hitter, Wolf. He flew out in his last at-bat.
And we're gonna do a seam.
First pitch of the at-bat.
For...
Yanked foul off to the right.
Alrighty. Foul off to the right. Let's do another one of those. A forward seam. Not
Now a
bad.
ball hit hard toward first. That gets down, and he's got himself a
Find the
base
ball,
hit.
find the ball.
And stay. We're gonna stay here.
Hey, pitchers, you better start taking notice of this guy. He better be circled on that lineup card because he's on fire. That's his second hit of the ball game right there, and I don't see him stopping.
As long as I can knock this...
And he's likely just trying to put one in play here. 0 for 2 with a pair of strikeouts thus far.
Come on.
Here now the 2-2. Oh, it's hit to third.
Come on.
Five.
Come on.
There's one. On to first as they get the double play to get him out of the
Why does
inning.
why is it always like 2-1 with my team? Like every time I do a 3-way game, my team wins the first. My team either wins the first or second one, then gets out the second.
Third, 2 away.
Come on, pitcher.
Popped him up. Cancel over to his left. No trouble with this
Alrighty.
one, and the inning is over. So 1 run on 2 base hits, 1 error in the inning, and a couple of men left.
My team has immediately lost.
Now at the plate,
Yeah, my team is so far behind here.
last time up.
As long as I can get my team out of these 2 guys up, we gonna see. Oof.
Not even close.
That was a fastball.
No balls and a strike.
Alright.
If you're able to blow a first pitch fastball,
Alrighty, we're gonna do a cutter. And dang
Swing
it.
and a miss, and he's quickly in the hole.
Come on,
1-2.
come on, we got
I know
this.
he's down the count right now.
Let's
Not
do
looking good, but he's
a
been swinging the bat so well lately. I don't
let's
think
do
he
a 4
minds
seam
this one
fastball.
bit.
High in the air out to center field. Long
Come
run for the
on,
center
don't catch it, don't
fielder.
catch it, don't catch it, don't catch it, and he caught it.
Play is
Dang
made,
it.
but this should be good enough for an RBI
There you go.
as
Come
the
on,
runner
baby.
from
You're
third
up.
takes
You're
up.
up.
And he will get in to score, and it's a run batted in on the sacrifice fly.
My team has lost. Yes, we have.
This game had its moments, but it got out of hand pretty quick. Always nice when you
Well,
can coast to a 6-run win.
that is all, guys. Make sure you slash, well,
10-4 in the final
make sure you
innings.
slash that like button with your pirate sword. Sync that evil subscriber button ship, and make sure you take him on board yours to make him a subscribed button. Also, make sure you return the notifications bird to the queen of YouTube, otherwise you will not get another letter that the captain has set sails into the docks. So until my next video, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Captain out.